Hey sewing friends, my name is Alice Murray and this is my channel Murr-made Designs, and we talk about sewing. Lots of sewing. I sew every single day, try to anyways. I post something every single day at 7 o'clock in the morning, unless it's daylight savings time and I'm late, but I try to put something up every single day that I've made, and most of the stuff I have made for myself. But this week, I am sewing for my fella. And I know lots of you have fellas in your life that you probably sew for, and so maybe I can give you some ideas of some things to do for them. My fella works really hard. He works in the oil field, and we have a farm, and he's building me a garage. Well, I say he's building for me, but I think he's building it for the tractor. But anyways, he's building a garage, and yeah, he's a grandpa, and he's just very, very busy. So he couldn't be in the video, but he did take a break so I could take a picture of him and everything today. So I'll be posting those pictures. But the first make, he really likes comfortable clothes. He wears, comfortable t-shirts and whatnot underneath his coveralls, and he likes, pull-on kinds of things. So we got a lot of that kind of stuff this week. This first one is a tried and true pattern, McCalls 7841. I made this a bit ago for myself. I've made this, I think, about 7 times. This is a great pattern. It fits. I just even don't know what they did, but it fits better than most patterns. But if last time I made it, people were trying to find it to buy it and they couldn't find it. I looked it up on Pattern Review, and what has happened is the McCalls pattern company has been purchased, and the new company is rebranding, and so they're re-releasing the patterns, all the good patterns that people really love, and they're re-releasing them with different envelope pictures and different numbers. So if you want this one, the envelope just has a picture of the girl on it, same pattern, and the number is 8070. So I'll put that in the description box, so if you want to get this, you can. But it's the same pattern, and it's a great pattern. So yeah, you can make it as a hoodie, which I have done 6 times, I believe. You can put a kangaroo pocket. You can put side pockets. You can put no pockets, is what I did with this one. So this one is not a hoodie. It is just a sweatshirt. It is made with Sweatshirt fleece from Fabricland, from their discount area. And yes, my dear fella, at the beginning of COVID, we decided, the suggestion was only one person in your household shop. So he's been the shopper. So he has even gone to Fabricland for me and purchased stuff. And he purchased this just recently. And it has, I think, catfish on it. It has some kind of thing. I think I'm going with catfish. So the sleeves have sleeve bands. And there's a hemband and a neck band. And it went together super duper well. Every time I'm sewing anytime I'm sewing anything, but especially if I'm sewing a knit, I sew the shoulder seams and then I put the sleeves in flat. And that is the easiest, best, nicest way to do it. And then you sew the sleeve and the side seam all up at once. And it is super fast. Super duper fast. Yeah, so that is make number 1, a sweatshirt. And in my grateful thread today, I am very grateful for my fella. He is a good one, for sure. I met him when I was 14. Have been crazy about him ever since. And yeah, he's awesome. And so I hope he likes the things I made for him. He definitely needed some new things in his wardrobe, and hopefully I can get a few more things made too after this week even. Okay, so that's item number 1. Tune in tomorrow to see what else. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.